All right, boys. So the boys rented a fucking U-Haul, and we're gonna go save the S13, man.
Yeah, can't be giving it Rona. Should I try to go right here?
Can you?
We're in this Ford piece of shit.
Yeah, we got the fucking big rig. I don't know how we're gonna pull this off, but we'll probably figure it out.
Give me some hand sanding for the steering wheel, man.
All right, hang on.
It's just dirtier than a fucking...
Don't use too much. This is my mom's fancy shit.
Dongle. Alright, so that's how we're fucking doing it. Get that rubbed in there real nice. You don't know what fucker's been using this truck.
Not getting the goddamn virus, man. Fuck that.
Yeah, so we're saving the S13 because it doesn't deserve to get Rona disease.
Yeah, no doubt.
So,
parents are also putting the house on lockdown, so I'm not gonna be able to leave until the virus is done with. And I want to be able to work on my car, so we're gonna go get it. Be doing some side of the street videos again real soon. Should probably also mention that Jason's driveway is tighter than a nun's asshole.
No doubt, man. Not one of those nuns you see on the P-Hub, you know?
Yeah, no doubt.
Fake nuns.
Not like what Colby's watching.
Oh, fuck. We're ripping toge here with the trailer. Seeing how the Ford does. The Tacoma rips the toge. Lean, man. Holy dick. We're cooking now, boys. Yeah, she goes. I'd give it a 6 out of 10 on the toge.
Pretty sure this thing's turbski. Holy fuck, we're kind of going, man.
We fucking are clipping that.
We're ripping a little bit, eh?
Shit, I feel like sitting 80 feet up in the air. Holy fuck. Trailer's gonna come off, man.
Yeah, I don't know if I trust Buddy's skill at the U-Haul there.
Oh, that guy?
Yeah.
Tying it down? Holy shit.
Hitting the turbulence now, man.
This thing's fucking hanging off caddy, eh? Holy dick. Holy fuck. Holy dick, man.
Oh, I'm getting nervous, man.
We're cooking. Look at this little jump we're gonna hit.
Oh, yeah. This shit working, man? Like too hard to push?
Oh, Ben, you wanna put the piece of wood on?
Oh, yeah.
Car's finally on the trailer. It was a bit of a nightmare. What do you think?
I hate this car.
Yeah. Hopefully it runs one day.
Probably not.
Okay, now we gotta grab the transmission, clutch, drive shaft, and whatever else. Maybe the Sylvia stuff. That stuff's not heavy though. Transmission's gonna be a bitch.
There goes the gray crew there. Why'd you do that? Holy fuck! Jesus.
Never realized how much stuff I had at Jason's.
Man.
That was a clean one too.
Watch the fresh paint.
Yeah. Anyways, shit box is on. Sylvia front end's loaded up. Paint's in the trunk. Transmission. Oh, before we leave, I need to get the slide hammer out of the back of your car.
I don't have the key, Ben has it. I think he locked it.
All right, so it's like 2 hours later. Everything's all loaded up. See all this shit in the trunk, car in the back. So yeah, seeing as if Adam and I don't fucking die from the virus, you can expect a lot more content on that car because I'm gonna be trying to get it done. Yeah, Jason, if you're watching, there's no hard feelings. My mom's just gonna be keeping me inside, not letting me leave the fucking house.
Yeah, that's the reason why we're taking it, is because Jason's quarantining. Noah's mom's quarantining.
Yeah, my parents like literally told me today, they're like, after today, you're not going back there until the shit's done with, and you're not leaving the house till it's done with. And I'm like, okay, I've already beat my meat about 10 times.
That's honestly all there is to do.
Yeah, like if you're not working,
take up like 2 hours a day.
Yeah,
so.
If you're in quarantine and you're not working on a car, what are you doing besides beating your meat? And you can only really go like 3 times without that shit starting to hurt.
That's like 2 hours.
Yeah, so you're burning about 2 hours, and then what are you gonna do? Just sit in your room all day? Like, no.
I've been ripping Call of Duty Warzone. Comment if you play Call of Duty Warzone. I'm kind of a king at it, you know. I'm practicing for if the shit goes down, I'm ready to pop some fools. You know, I'd be sliding around the map, fucking shit.
Yeah, no doubt. So yeah, Jason, if you are watching this, if you watch our videos, I don't know, kind of hates us. I don't know if he watches.
Yeah, Jason definitely hates us.
Probably not even subscribed.
Yeah, fuck you, Jason, honestly.
But yeah.
There is hard feelings, actually.
No, for real, no hard feelings. Just, I'm gonna be stuck inside and I need to get shit done, so.
Yeah.
Right on.
Oh, also, my 240 broke.
Yeah, Adam's having some electrical issues. The alt was rebuilt, and then about a week later, he's getting some terrible like voltage draw from somewhere.
Yeah, huge voltage. After I did that burnout, there's a fat voltage draw, and I don't even know what it is.
Yeah, his battery drops down to like 6 volts when you put the key to accessory, so something's fucked.
Like, it's fine, and then you turn it to accessory and it just drops. And my head unit stopped working. But I don't think it's my head unit because we pulled it out and looked at everything on the back. And there's like no fuses I can see that are blown. So I don't know if a ground maybe came off somewhere. I don't know, man.
So something's fucked, man.
Yeah, no doubt. Look at this truck. Both of us big rigging.
No, no doubt. Just big rig thing.
Okay, this guy needs to fuck off. I'm gonna
smoke this one.
Oh, it's the jump, man!
Oh shit.
Holy fuck.
Oh, I got air, man. Oh, Jesus fuck, boys.
This one?
Wait, dude, you gotta do the thing.
One last time?
Yeah, one last time, buddy.
Okay.
Give me
Kevin's gotta move the rig.
Give me a right on.
Right on, buddy.
Oh yeah, look at him, just dipped, eh?
Kevin, get your shit out of the way.
Oh, no doubt, eh?
Why's Katie fucking scoping, man?
Get away.
The car looks like shit.
That should be good there, Adam.
Good. I say go for it.
So I don't think we need this wood then.
I would have
make it dip.
Here, I'll push if you want to guide him.
I don't know if I want to do. I want to get this solid.
Oh! Straighten it out. Yeah, right there.
Yeah, just keep it that way. Yeah, pretty much, eh, Adam?
Yeah, you might need to start steering this way when you come further down.
Yeah. I got it.
Yeah, I'd say let her go.
Yeah. I'll just get out of the way once you get to here. There you go. Okay, good enough. cash for this?
You're dick.
Painted that, painted this roof to black. And we still don't know if it runs yet. That's it.
Well, you should find out.
Yeah,
What's that for?
it's rust.
Oh, well, this told you nothing. Really, is it? What is it?
Well, it's a strut tower. If that rots away, it's pretty fucked, but it's not that bad. Probably just leave it. Deal with it a different day.
It's up there, I guess.
What a piece of shit.
What do you think, eh? Are you dipped or what?
Oh, look out.
That's the
I
spirit.
agreed to that. I was just walking downtown. We saw 3 cars with all your stickers on it.
Really?
The red RX.
Outside?
Yeah. Fuck, what am I supposed to do now? I'm holding the camera.
Alright, that's it. Car's at my house. Yeah. So, stuck at home now. I'll have something to do.
Oh! This load was about to forget. Hold it.
You just vlog. We're in the fucking
Ghetto! We're met Dan and Victoria, so we're like, I'm watching back. With the camera here. So we're trying to protect it.
$3,000 worth of machinery right here. Said that a little too loud.
Yeah, method right there. Okay.
Anyways, that's the end of the video. Comment. We'll do a straight pen here, but.
Comment what car you currently have, or if,
Oh, I was gonna
or
have a good one.
okay, you go for it. Just cut that out. That's pretty good. Shut the fuck up. No, mine's better.
Comment.
Mine's better.
Comment.
Give us a
Good
better.
question. That's a good question.
What car you currently have, or what you're trying to get.
Alright, yeah, comment what car you currently have or what you're trying to get right now. Let us know below.
Also, leave a like on this video.
Yeah, like this video.
Subscribe.
We need the comments and the likes.
Yeah, it's free for you guys, and it helps us out immensely. And yeah, if we randomly choose your comment, we'll send you 2 air fresheners to anywhere in the world for free. So yeah, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And lots more videos coming out soon. We're still doing Thursday and Sunday uploads, so if you want, you can turn on the post notifications.
Try our best. Hopefully we don't die.
Yeah, so you have something to do during this
Quarantine.
Rona season. Yeah, give us a skidoo, no?
I guess a good question would have been, how's your quarantine going?
Okay, sure.
How many times have you beat your meat so far?
Yeah, comment either. Comment any of the questions we've listed above.
Comment whatever you want. We'll
Yeah, as long as you comment.
make your own question and answer.
Yeah, as long as you comment, you're entered in the giveaway.
Yeah. And you have to leave your Instagram. Because
Yeah.
people are commenting and they're not leaving their Instagram, you're not going to win.
Yeah, well, it's not that you're not going to win, but we won't have any way of contacting
If
you.
I land on it, and it's you, and there's no Instagram. Sorry about it.
Yeah, because we can't contact you. Oh, fuck, man. Alright, give us a skidoo to end this one up.
Should be a loud one.
Or say with the next video. No.
Just do a loud
No, we're going to track the map heads, man. It's like when someone drives a car in Warzone and everyone just sees you on the map and it just fucks your whole team up.
So good. Yeah, this guy was really so confused.
No, they're staying there.
What are they gonna do now? Kevin's on his way, okay?
Yeah, true.
Hopefully. Okay, biggest skidoo we've ever done.
Oh, this is some virus thing.
This is my dad, I'll do a fucking huge skidoo. Oh, okay, looks like it's gonna be a mediocre skidoo.
These guys are screwed.
That was pretty shit.